from Cologne, Germany at IDS. My name is Dr. Artemis Atkins, and on behalf of the Straumann Group, I'm going to spend some time and show you the arena of confidence. Follow me. So here, in the center of the arena of confidence, we will have about 36 key opinion leaders whom we will interview and spend some time talking about all things current and future for dentistry. And beyond this, I'm going to have you come follow me up so I can show you some of the other sessions we have going on. Come on over. This is Straumann Docs, head of our branding. I'm gonna get closer so you can hear me. We have one mic.
Right now we're standing in the human resources area. So if anybody's interested in joining Straumann and our great culture, this is the place to talk to our people. So if you want any info about this, you go to the info desk and they will guide you to the right person. You want to walk around?
Let's walk around. We're going to show you some more stuff. Come on.
So here, let's say we are at the place where we have our heroes of this show. It's the whole new BLX system. So here we have the new modular cassettes that we show, which is actually rewarded with the Design Award 2019.
Yes.
As you can see, so definitely worth checking out. Here we are at, let's say, our legendary heroes, the small diameter implant and the bone level tapered implant, which are very popular with dentists these days. I guess they get a little bit of a competition now with our new immediate, let's say, immediate protocol implant, or at least optimized for immediate placement. So the BLX.
Coolest implant on earth.
And I'm sure you've seen the story that's around it with Anna and the Lion. So we're very excited to launch the full movie right at IDS. So come out, check it out for everybody out there.
There's Anna and the Lion.
Here's Anna and the Lion, Then here we have our edentulous solutions, with integrated now also the BLX.
Yes. The Straumann Pro Arch.
The Straumann Pro Arch, exactly. As well as the removable solutions from Straumann, Novalock and the mini implant.
Yep.
Yeah, here we are at the screw retained bars and bridges for edentulous. So we have here basically the, let's say, the whole edentulous solution corner. So if anybody's interested in dental solutions, please join us here. We'll get all the information about the Straumann solutions. Here we have something very exciting. That's the new Smile in a Box concept. So it's a, let's say, plug and play solution for dentists. Here they can basically find out how they could extend or scale their practice by using the Straumann services, digital services, and with low investment cost. So check it out, Smile in a Box.
Smile in a Box.
Let's move on to our Prosthetic Corner. So prosthetic efficiency is the main topic we're talking about here. You see all the CARES abutments. So these are all the customized abutments that you can get through our digital service. This is a very exciting solution, so the angled solution that we launched last year, but it's been very well received. So obviously we want to showcase this solution here as well. Angled solution, for those who don't know, so it's a better access to whatever you want to restore on an implant, so you have a better access with your screwdriver. What we launch here at IDS new is our collaboration with Z Systems, so it's actually fully ceramic, so there's no metal inside.
This is the only apically tapered system that we have. The new Straumann Snow is the new apically tapered system. Very good.
This is our Biomaterials Portfolio. I think you know, the claim match any challenge. We have the new Xenograft and Xenoflex that we launch, which is let's say it's an all-rounder, but obviously each case needs a very specific solution. So we basically have everything here that makes a dentist feel comfortable Let's go to the next counter here. This is next generation dentistry. So this is actually a new topic that Straumann is picking up, which is preventive dentistry.
Yes.
So it's let's say before you need the implant. It is mostly about aesthetics, but also take care of your teeth or prevent any loss of teeth and so forth. So here you find all the solution
for caries, for periodontitis.
Exactly, yes. Caries, periodontitis, and periimplantitis as well. So by the way, you can get a free whitening here. So we have a new whitening solution here at the counter, which is non-bleaching, meaning it doesn't harm your teeth, and you can go partying and
have a little fun
right
afterwards.
After that. No problem. So come here. It takes 50 minutes, and you will probably walk out with nice white teeth.
So Soman, we are now standing by the Implant Health display. I'd like you to tell me a little bit about this program.
So Implant Health is a new initiative that we're launching at IDS, and the initiative, it's all about, that we support the dentist in not only how he ideally chooses his implants, plans his implants and so forth, but also that we help him or his patients to maintain implant health.
Yes.
And we have, let's say, all the tools and the solutions that is needed to keep your implant healthy all the time.
Very nice. At Straumann, for people like me who practice out in the clinic, of course education is primary, utmost need. So at Straumann Group, we take a lot of pride in education. That's the department I get to serve in. And here we have the opportunities for online learning, blended learning, classroom learning, mentorship, and basically every way that you could want to learn, we will enable you to do so. So welcome to the Enablement and Education Center.
So maybe a little bit looking behind the scenes, which is actually the most interesting part.
This is where the heart of it is, huh?
Here is the front of house, and here's where the action is happening. So that's where the guys are making sure that all the sound of the arena is coming clearly through all the headphones that we have. You can plug in headphones, by the way, to listen to all the interviews, and also that we have the right pictures on the displays everywhere.
I want Soman to show you guys that when people are here visiting, they can hear the interviews being conducted. So he's going to show you how to do that. Soman, would you look?
Yeah, so we have a great feature here. In order not to disturb people, right? You can plug in here. We have all these little plugs, headphone plugs on the walls. So if you want to really listen to the interview that's going on the main stage with the program, you can either take your own headphones and just plug them in and listen to it while you're enjoying a coffee. Or if you don't have any headphones with you, we have these complimentary headphones that you can get at the info desk with the Straumann Life on top, so you can just unfold them and then plug them in and enjoy the action.
Hey guys, okay, so I'm standing now in front of the Digital Solutions booth where we'll tell you a little bit about what's coming up and what you can see at IDS. Please.
Yes, hello, welcome from my side. So for digital we have many new things. So actually we are still in the setup, but we have our brand new intraoral scanner done by Dental Booth. So we will really be the launch at the IDS, and obviously we provide complete chairside and lab solutions. And obviously if we look a little bit further down, we also have different products, including nice with common glass ceramic prosthetic material. So here also we are pleased to show some more color and some stain and glaze kits to allow individualization. So we're really looking forward to the feedback of all our customers.
Hey guys, okay, so now I'm standing by Medentica's booth, and here is a flipper game you can come and play where you throw the ball and play and lose because it just beat me, the machine just beat me, but that's okay because I will win in the end. There we go. Okay, bye. So here, between Medentica and Neodent, is a virtual reality booth where you will see the My Greatness campaign from Neodent, where you get a sense for their factory. Okay, you guys, so now we are at the Dent booth behind the scenes where my colleagues are setting up. They will show the upcoming product launches and, of course, the Grand Morse system. Okay, you guys, now I'm at Clear Correct, the Straumann Group orthodontic offering for clear aligners. And you can come in here and sit here and take a selfie with the photo booth. Come have fun. Okay, we're now standing in front of Dental Wings, another Straumann Group offering for intraoral and lab scanning and planning of implants and restorative solutions. Welcome. I am now standing in front of the Straumann truck where we use it to show you and tour Europe to show you our products and solutions. But today, I'm going to take you on the inside and show you something. Come on. So here we have the inside of the truck, this mobile booth. Today we'll be at IDS in Cologne, Germany, actually all week. We will take you inside and give you a virtual reality experience and introduce you to our Dent-to-Go solutions. Looking forward to welcoming you.